Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Oh no, back.
That's
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benny, aka Mannequin. aka Benny Mannequin, coming to you live from the Mannequin studio, from the quarantine location, and I'm just walking around my house. Basically, I just traveled from my bedroom to my living room, but yeah, and ooh, good idea. So basically, I honestly have not worn these shoes before, but that's not like about anything. That's really just a habit of mine where I would buy a shoe. I just would not open the shoe till like later on. So the shoes have been opened, they've been unboxed, like out of the box. So this is not an unboxing video, but I have to tell you guys, I have found a shoe that is better than Saint Laurent. Think I'm lying? Stay tuned to the video. All right, guys. So we're here in the Mannequin studio, as I said, and so I'm here. I just have like a little display desk right here going up for you guys. And so what are we gonna do? I'm gonna be showing you guys the shoes. These are called, so the guy's name is David, King David. The brand is King David's, I believe, King David. And these shoes basically are made from quality leather, not even leather. I don't know what this material is. It's like snake skin or crocodile, alligator skin. I have no idea. But by the way, no animals were hurt in the making of this video. I just have to put that out there because I don't want to be casted. But it has the same, like, similar heel structure that the Saint Laurent boots do have. How do they fit? They fit perfectly fine. Obviously, you have to break into them just like any boot like that you have out there, but then like they fit perfectly fine, and for the price range that you get them at, they're perfect. Because honestly, I'm not gonna lie, Saint Laurent boots and all these boots, they do run you for your money. Why? No reason. Honestly, in as much as there's quality you're buying, I believe you could definitely figure out a way to like reduce the money. I understand it's a brand. It's just like how you have the Converse and then you have the Saint Laurent, Comme des Garçons Converse as well. But the price is a lot. So buying into these kind of brands that, like, for someone like this guy, basically, he takes his time to actually do research on the way he makes his shoes. And I wouldn't be talking about someone if mind you, I only met this guy in December, so I could care less about anything. But for the fact that he made this thing and delivered to me in time, that's the only reason why I will be showing you guys. I'm not getting paid for this promotion or like showing you guys, but it's like, as most of my videos and I show you guys, it's what I like. I enjoy collecting fashion. I enjoy showing you guys what I do have and what I enjoy wearing. So enjoy the video. So here is the shoe. You've already seen the B-roll. Like I said, it's brand new, untouched. I have not worn these. Sadly I didn't get to wear it, and right now everywhere is on lockdown. But yeah, that's pretty sad. But like I said, I showed you guys the detail. These shoes are like, okay, so you can see it has that inch to it. The inch is a little bit higher than the Saint Laurent like heel. So if you're not like used to wearing like a little bit of heel or like a heel, then you probably don't want to touch like any of these, honestly. So these are the Saint Laurent, like my most recent Saint Laurent boots that I bought. These are the brown leather YSL Wyatt boot harness boots. So as you can see, like these ones, my issue with these boots is that it takes a while. So like when you first get the Saint Laurent boots, even to put it on, like getting dressed in them are hell. Like it's a hassle, basically. It's a hassle. So for you to actually put them in, so you know when you have to like put your leg into the boots, yeah. So actually putting your legs in the boots, it's a hassle to do that. So it takes like 5 wears to actually get used to actually slipping your leg into the boots. But for this, honestly, I feel like I was able to put my leg in straight up once I got the shoe. And like another thing I just like, the fact that this guy is not a big brand yet. He's not big yet, and he's able to make something close Like, I'm not, well, it's not the fact that it's close, because the goal is not to make a replica, but then it's basically his own brand. He's able to make something that I could actually prefer to wear over wearing this. And like, I know I showed a couple of like my friends and all that, and some people were like, oh, isn't that just like a knockoff YSL? No, it's not a knockoff YSL. It's different. I mean, Balenciaga does this all the time. I mean, what? Amiri does this all the time. And like, there's countless brands like have the Bodega Veneta, whatever they call them. Vintage boots in general were all shaped like these. The purpose of this video basically is to say that honestly, if you see like these young brands out there, I would advise to like honestly patronize them, especially if you notice that they like put in like work. Because one thing I enjoy with fashion is when I see like not just young people, but when I see like up and coming people actually putting like not just money but time into their craft. Like, I was supposed to show you guys with this video, because I did ask the guy to take a video, because I was going to meet him, but I didn't get the chance to meet him while I was in Nigeria. But I was going to ask him to take a video and send it to me so I could show it to you guys, the process of work. But he never got the chance to send me that video. But what I'm saying is that if you put in time into your craft, it's going to show. It's going to show. And apparently now, like, this is like 3 months after, now I see like he designs shoes for like top celebrities in Nigeria, and I'm totally happy for him. I'm going to put his link in my bio in case any of you was interested in hitting him up. Feel free to tell him that I sent you. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe down this video, and actually tell me what you think about these shoes, because I want to know. So with nothing left to say, I'll see you in the next video.